made it for our overnight stop. What do you reckon?
Oh dear.
It's alright, isn't it?
Beautiful. Yeah.
Pretty cool. Cement factory in the background. And obviously, the pièce de résistance, the lake.
Chevy! Merde! Chevy!
The next day. So come on, Mum, hurry up. Yes, I have. I think. This is where we are. It's La Monnerie. Nature and sports. Cool.
It's freezing!
It's so cold. Let's see.
Well, that's easy, isn't it?
Just. Brighton seafront. Good morning to you, Brighton. Now, amazing park up space. It's ridiculously cheap here actually. It's 10 quid for 30 hours. There you go. Seafront, and I am heading into town because I'm going to the station. Up into London for the day. I'll catch up with you at the station. Now all we need to do is work out where to pick my ticket up from. Got tickets, that was all painless. That's helpful. At 44 to Cambridge. Calls at London Bridge. Let's find ourselves a seat. Goodbye, Brighton. So yeah, careful. Back in the day, I used to fly in and out of here pretty much twice a week, every week of the year in, year out. And yeah, I haven't even been on a plane in 2 years, not driven one in 3, and I'm pretty glad that I don't have to do that anymore. It was a good time, but I'm glad to have left that one behind. It's been a long time since I've seen Gatwick Airport. Charing Cross train will do us. We're off Waterloo East. There we go, we've arrived back at Brighton station. Let's see what we can find to do. Maybe find the sunset over the beach. The sun's going down. There's a flock of probably starlings displaying over the pier. I believe the collective for a flock of starlings is a murmur. Pretty cool sight, to be fair. Giving us a bit of a display before they go to bed. There they are over the pier. It's a chilly morning and I'm on dog walking duty, but it's pretty beautiful to be parked up next to the beach. Couldn't get better than this. We got the sunrise. I think we're at a place called Seaford. Doggies out for a walk with me. This is our patio this morning. Let's be honest, it's been worse places, that's for sure. Are you done, dog? You can see how interested the dog is. I won't. I did see it.